So this is how it looks. DJI Action Osmo 5 Pro. These are the detailed unboxing it. You get one mount, one Type-C to Type-C cable. This is the coolest part, the battery dock, then a warranty guide form. Okay, now let's go through all of it. This is the battery case that we have received. DJI. 3 batteries are there by default. Great. This is the mount we'll be using on our helmet. This is the Type-C cable. Let's open the actual camera. What do we have here? This is the case. 2 screws. Anti-skid pad, which we can use it later on for sure. Nice. Then this is like some anti-skid stuff, and we do get 2 screws. Okay, so till now this is how much we have unboxed. Let's keep it aside. And this is silica gel. Do not edit. And here goes the main show. This is the DJI camera. Okay, let's peel this off. So right now it won't be having anything inside. I need to put in the battery. Where is our battery? This is the battery. Okay, battery has been added. Confirm. So what is the date today? It would be April 18. What is the time right now? 6. PM. Settings. this setting as of now. This is how it looks from the front side. I love it. How am I supposed to turn this off? Oh, side button will turn it off. This is the lens protecting cover, I feel. By default installed. Let's install this accessory. Wow. Is it fitted? It is fit. This is locked. Wow. What else do we have?